Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to add payment method on KuCoin. So if you also want to add payment method on KuCoin, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open KuCoin application. You can download this application from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here, I have already opened KuCoin application. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're logged into your account, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Initially, you'll be in the home interface. At home interface, you'll be able to find several options. Right over here, you'll be able to find the option for deposit, rewards hub, trading bot, cash gift, P2P, gem slot, etc. In order to add the payment method, what you have to do is go to the P2P interface. For that, simply tap on the P2P option that you can see right over here. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to P2P interface. Over here, you'll be able to find several options. You'll be able to find the option for buy and sell. If you look at top right corner, you'll be able to see three dots. All you have to do is tap on it. Now at bottom, you'll be able to see four options. At second, you'll be able to find the option for payment method. If you want to add the payment method, simply tap on the option payment method. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the payment methods interface. KuCoin supports a variety of payment methods including credit cards, debit cards and prepaid cards issued by Visa and MasterCard. So if you want to add the payment method, simply tap on the option add payment method that you can see at the bottom. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Make sure the account you're using is your own, otherwise your deposit will be rejected. To prevent losing assets, it is recommended to only add payment methods that are registered in your own name. So simply select the payment method of your choice, tap right over here. Now you'll be able to see several payment methods over here. You'll be able to find the option for Apple Pay, bank transfer, Cash App, Google Pay, etc. Simply tap on the option of your choice. Now what you have to do is fill in this kind of details. You'll have to fill in the details according to the payment method that you've selected. If you have selected bank like mine, you can see over here, you'll have to fill in your bank of deposit, bank account, phone number, bank branch and full name. Simply tap on this option, bank of deposit. Now enter the name of the bank. Also enter your bank account number. Simply tap right over here, enter your account number. Make sure to enter the correct account number. Now enter your phone number. After that, you'll have to enter the bank branch. This is totally optional. You can also skip it. Now what you have to do is enter your name. Enter your own name over here. After that, you can see over here at bottom, you'll be able to find the option for confirm. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be led to another interface. Due to security reason, KuCoin does not let you record this interface, but I'll tell you what to do. You'll have to go through security verification in this interface. All you have to do is enter your trading password. After that, also enter the email verification code. After that, what you have to do is enter the 2FA code. First of all, enter trading password. After you've entered trading password, all you have to do is tap on the send button that you can see right next to the email verification code. Now a verification code will be sent to your email. All you have to do is open the Gmail application. You can see over here, KuCoin has sent me an email. All you have to do is tap on it. You can see the verification code over here. Memorize this code. Go back to KuCoin application. Now enter that code over here. Also enter the 2FA code. After that, simply tap on the confirm option that you'll be able to see on the screen. After that, that particular payment method will be added. So that is how you add payment method on KuCoin. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.